Hi everyone and welcome back in a new video. Today we are going to see how to hide or show our slicers using bookmarks dynamically. Okay, so first of all, our dataset or our table is representing sales data. It's composing by 5 columns, as you can see here. We already created 2 slicers. The first one is representing the product name or the product code, and the second one is representing the customer name. Okay, so first of all, let me add shape. So as you can see here, Power BI is providing multiple version of shapes. So let's pick rectangle, as you can see here. Let me move our slicers into this shape, and also let me insert a back button. Let me move it inside it. Also, let me click on Forma, click send backwards and send to back. So as you can see here, we can see our slicers inside the rectangle. Okay, also let me add also a button. Okay, blank button. I'm going to move it in the middle. Okay, as you can see here. So I'm going to do some changes. Let's click on general. Okay, let's add background, for example. If you want to, you can do that, or we don't want, okay. So as you can see here, we have a lot of option. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a lot of options for our button. Okay, we can add text, we can add a header. Okay, as you can see here, the style, we can change the style. For example, we can do rotation for our table. So okay, can add a border. We can change the color as I showed you, etc. Okay, so now let me just make, let's select those objects. Let's group it in one group. Okay, as you can see here, a lot of options, etc. A group. Now let me click on selection. Now we have this one, which is composing by this shape, this back button, those two slicers. Let me name it, for example, slicers pane, for example. And let's now create a bookmark. First of all, let's hide this group. Let's add bookmark with the name hide slicers. As you can see here, let's deselect the data option. Let's click on update. Now let's show our group selection and add another slicer with the name show slicers. Okay, and let me just click the select data and click on update. So when we click on hide, is the group which composing by our forma shape, the button, back button, and the two slicers are going to be hidden. And when we click on show slicer bookmarks, our group is going to appear. Now let's click on our button, this button, okay, specifically on this button. Let's click on action. So the type is going to be a bookmark, and let's click on the bookmark with the name hide slicers. Okay, and now let's go to the our button and our other button. So let's click on the type bookmark and let's choose show slicers. Okay, so when I click on the button using Control, it's going to disappear, as you can see here, and when I click, it's going to appear dynamically. Okay, let's try it again. So I want to add that you can add an image inside this button. As you can see here, you can do that easily by doing insert, for example, image. Let's choose, I don't know where I put it. So this one, okay? We can just change the size a little bit and let's put it inside our button. Okay, so what I want to say that when we click on the control button, it's going to disappear, and we click control with left mouse button, it's going to appear using this button. So as you can see here, guys, we have create slicers, and we just control how to show those slicers or hide them using bookmarks and buttons. That's all for this video. I hope that you enjoy it. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button, share button, and leave a comment with your feedback and what you want to see in next video. See you in another video, and bye for now.